first year CSE in Bennett University. Today I am going to explain about my first project. We have done this project on language called Python. Before going to our project, I am very thankful for CSE department of Bennett for giving this opportunity. This project on the birthday calendar, which contains the certain features like zodiac sign, characters of the person, date of birth of the person, age of the person, and reminder like that.
Hey guys, this is Sushit from Bennett University. I'm pursuing first year in CSE department. As my friend Satya has already told you about himself and what our project is on, I'll basically tell you what our program does. What our program does is it gives you your age, the day which you were born on, your zodiac sign, characteristics of a person, like what he likes, what he does not like, what your strong and weaknesses are, tell you whether you are born on any important dates or not. Now I'll show you how our program works. We have used Python 3 for coding. As you can see, we have imported some modules. These are the modules. I'll run this program. As the date of my birth is 1st Jan, month is 1st, then 1999. Then as you can see this is the date of my birth, my age, it gives my age, and this is the days I've lived on since my birthday, and I was born on Friday. It also gives Capricorn, which is my zodiac sign, my strength according to my zodiac sign, and my weaknesses. As you can see, the new year, which is in 1st of Jan, so it's basically the program basically gives the festivals or international day which is close to my birthday or anyone's birthday. So as you can see, this is all the program. I'll show you the whole program. This is the whole program we have made. So this one gives me the date of birth, this one gives me my age and the days I've lived. So guys, this is basically my whole program which I executed in front of you. So thank you for watching this video.